Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting here. Open the Google Home app on your phone and sign into the Google account paired with the Nest. Make sure the Nest is powered, connected to the same Wi-Fi, and shows online. Once done, check for app or device firmware updates and install them. This prevents missing voice options. Now tap the Nest device card to enter device settings. This is where we change voice options. Move deliberately. The app will guide you to the right menu. You should now be inside the device settings. Tap Settings, then Assistant, and choose Voice and Speech to reveal voice options. Here you'll see languages and multiple voice profiles. Pick one to preview it by tapping play. If the voice requires a language change, switch the language first so the voice becomes available. Make sure Voice Match is configured if you want personalized responses. Once you've previewed and chosen a voice, select it. The change applies to that Nest. After selecting the voice, tap Save or Apply and wait a few seconds for the Nest to sync. You may hear a short confirmation chime. If the voice doesn't appear, first restart the Nest and reopen Google Home, then confirm the account, language, and region settings match supported options. If voices are still missing, remove and re-add the device or reset assistant settings as a last resort. One key tip: toggling the language off and back on often forces additional voice options to show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.